808 verb.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nadia back at it again with another video. Let me take my towel off. Okay, so I just showered. I went to the gym this morning. It was excelente. And now I'm gonna make breakfast and coffee, and I thought I might as well make a video because I kind of make the same breakfast almost every day, and it's my favorite breakfast, and I want to put you guys on it. I mean, it's not really that hard. It's pretty easy, but I just wanted to talk to you guys. So I'll be right back. Hold on. But first, coffee. So lately what I've been doing is I've been making coffee at home, and I really do recommend that for all of you guys. Stop going to Starbucks every day. Stop going to Dunkin' Donuts every day. You could really save so much more money if you just buy yourself a cute little iced coffee tumbler and you just make your coffee at home. I've been drinking this coffee. So this company sent me this really cool new invention. Apparently this is a new innovation in the coffee industry that's been really picking up. This is COFECO Cold Brew Instant Coffee Coffee Crystals. Basically it's instant coffee, but it tastes so much better than actual instant coffee. They're called Coffee Crystals, and you can get them at walmart.com or shopify.com. And let me tell you, this really tastes so good. I always pair it with my oat milk. The oat milk that I use is Planet oat milk. I also really like the Silk oat milk in vanilla. I actually like that one better, but I couldn't find it today, so I got this one. It's really, really good. And just to add a little bit of sweetness, I also add a little bit of simple syrup to my coffee. And of course ice, and then we have the best iced coffee. So they also sent me this, as you can tell, I've been using it. This is the American Black Coffee Baoji Dao Zhao Shu. I don't know what that means, but it's basically another packet of instant coffee, and this is really, really strong. So what COFECO sent me, they sent me all these little cute instant coffee crystals. It actually came with a lot more, but I've been using it. So let me open it up for you guys. Hopefully you can see me. I don't know if it's dark. Ooh, I'm so excited. So also just wanted to put this out there that these are recyclable and sustainable. So it's also really good for the environment versus buying plastic bottles from Starbucks or Dunkin' and then throwing them out, and then they're just gonna be in the ocean and just bad. It's bad. Hold on, I got a text. Where was I? So the company COFECO, they sent me 3 different flavors. They sent me the dark, which I've been using a lot of because I need caffeine in the morning. This is 90% roasting, and there's also a medium, which is 60% roasting, which I use on the days that I don't want to be too hyper, but you know, where you need a little bit of a kick. And then you have light. I only used this one once because I really do need a lot of caffeine. If this would focus. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make my coffee right now, and then we're gonna get into breakfast. All right, so we're gonna take some ice first. We're gonna do 3 ice cubes. And we're gonna add my oat milk. Oh, I'm just gonna add a little bit right now. I'm taking the medium coffee crystal just because I don't want too much of a strong coffee because I already had a little bit in the morning. So basically it's so cool. You just open it up, you open the tin foil, and you can either put the whole cup in or half or whatever you want. You can save it. It's really cool. So I'm only gonna do maybe half of the cup. I'm gonna get some water. All right, so I added just a little bit more water to it, and now I'm gonna add a little bit more oat milk. Ooh, do you see how cool that looks? All right, and just for a little bit of a sweetness, I'm gonna add maybe just a little, like 2 drops of this simple syrup. Okay, that was a lot, but whatever. Let me mix it all up. And depending on how strong you like your coffee, you might want to add more milk or oat milk. This is a little too strong, so I'm adding a little bit more. And voila, you got yourself a delicious, oh yeah, it's so good. It literally tastes like Starbucks. I kid you not. And instead of paying $6 a day for your Starbucks iced coffee, you don't have to. The coffee beans that are used to make this is 100% Arabica beans, and it's cold brewing because of the cold pressed method that they use. It's bitter and sour or sweet, whatever you want, however you want to make it. If you want to make it strong, just use a whole cup. If you want to make it medium, use half. You get the gist. I have a 20% off discount code if you guys want it. It's going to be in the description box. I really recommend you guys try it. It's so easy. You literally just dump it in your coffee, you mix it up with your favorite creamer, and you have some really good coffee. It's also very affordable as well. You can get it on walmart.com and shopify.com. Check out the link in the description box for 20% off. Alright guys, I'm hungry now. So we're gonna make some breakfast. So I'm gonna make an omelet. I'm gonna start by cutting like half an onion. I'm so sad. I got this really cute cutting board from Wayfair and it had my name on it, but it broke. And so now it says Adia. Still gonna use it though. I'm not gonna take all of this, just like a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna cut up this tomato, this pepper. This is really spicy, but my dad loves it, so I'm gonna add it a little bit in the omelet and a little bit of cilantro. Alright, as you can see, it's like pretty juicy right now. And we're just gonna cut some. Okay, so I have my veggies cut up. I'm gonna add 3 eggs to this, and then I'm gonna season it with some sea salt. And I love adding this as well. This is the Everything Bagel seasoning. The one from Trader Joe's is the best, but I got this from Walgreens and it's still pretty good. My stove is so dirty, don't mind it, but I already started heating up my pan with some olive oil, and then we're just gonna dump the omelet in here. That's gonna be yummy. So usually I just cover it and I just let it cook.
Oh, fuck, shit, bitch, get shot, what's up, get really rich.
Alright guys, so I basically finished making breakfast. It turned into scrambled eggs because I flipped the omelet too early, but it tastes so good. I love the kick in it because I added the cilantro and the peppers and the bagel seasoning. And then I just toasted a piece of whole wheat bread, added my avocado, and for the final touch, Heinz ketchup on the side. Thumbs up this video if you guys eat ketchup with your eggs, because I got some haters out here who don't approve, but it tastes so good. I cannot have eggs without ketchup. So that's basically it for today's video. Don't forget to check out COFECO link. The links are in my description box down below. You guys gotta save money, live better, Walmart. Seriously, save money, live better, Walmart. And it's ironic because they actually sell this at Walmart. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want. I would so appreciate that. And I will see you in my next video. I don't know what I'm trying to do. I try to like Millie Rock, but I just look stupid.